Hi, I'm Barb.
And I'm Paul. This is Travels with B&P.
Today we are in Fort-de-France on the island of Martinique.
Bonjour. So we're here in Fort-de-France. Yesterday we were in Barbados. Yesterday was Sunday in Barbados, and all of the shops were closed. So we did manage to find one place to stop for a beer. No flying fish sandwiches. Apparently flying fish are pretty rare in Barbados this season, so we missed out on a flying fish cutter.
We've had that before and it's pretty tasty and it's something we were looking forward to. Today we're going to explore in Fort-de-France. I think we're going to walk to the local market, check out their fruits and vegetables, maybe look at some spices, vanilla. Vanilla from Martinique. Smells really good.
Yeah, all the spices in here.
Yeah,
it's
lots
amazing.
Of spices.
Nice breezy day here in Fort-de-France in Martinique. Did a little shopping.
And here we were trying to stay out of your shot.
It's all good. It's all good.
Yeah, we'll be in that thing now. There's those troublemakers, finches.
Yeah,
Finches.
those Canadians.
Finches.
Today we're in Fort-de-France, Martinique. This is a former French colony, so they speak French here, but pretty good English also. They do get a lot of cruise ships through here. Walk through the spice market, and the produce market. Very interesting. Lots of bananas. We haven't seen bananas for a few days, and it was nice to see the variety that they have here on Martinique.
So people ask us, what's the proper way to pronounce the area that we're in? Well, the area is named for the original inhabitants, the indigenous people, the Carib Indians. So the proper pronunciation is Caribbean, not Caribbean. It's Caribbean. So we're at Carambola Beach in St. Kitts and Nevis.
Beach party day.
So found an umbrella and a beach chair, and ordered a rum punch, and pretty soon we'll go in the water. Get cooled off. It's going to be a good day. On the beach, it's nice and cool. A few waves. Cheers.
Cheers. Beach party. Carambola Beach.
Preparing the drinks properly with the koozie. Cheers.
Because this is not our first radio or beach party.
Cheers.
Would you like a coconut, sir?
Yes, absolutely. Perfect. Thank you. Get a little
Yeah.
have a little rum with your coconut water.
Sweet. Very sweet.
A lot of rum.
Yeah.
Here we are at Carambola Beach. Carambola Beach?
Carambola.
Carambola Beach. Sitting on the beach chairs under the umbrellas, enjoying the live music and wading in the surf. Anyway, it's a good day. Taking some more champagne out to the folks in the water. Today we're in San Juan, Puerto Rico, our last stop in the Caribbean before we head back to Miami. So another big cruise ship in port, and we're out just kind of exploring on our own. Maybe find a local beer, maybe some mofongo. What do you think?
Sounds interesting. Or fried plantains would be good too.
So stick around, let's see what we find.
So we have stopped into a small cafe here in San Juan. We have ordered some local Puerto Rican beer, a Modelo, and a shrimp mofongo. Now, what is mofongo? Well, it's the national dish of Puerto Rico. It's made from plantains that are fried, then mashed into a mashed potato type consistency, kind of thick. Usually served with some broth and meat. We've chosen to go with the shrimp mofongo today. Good.
So we're coming to the end of our Grand Americas cruise. 77 days out of 80. We're here in San Juan, Puerto Rico, the last stop in the Caribbean before we disembark in Miami.
Our first stop back in the United States since we left Miami on January 4th. Had a great trip around South America, including Antarctica, South Georgia, the Falkland Islands, up the Amazon River in Brazil, and through the Caribbean.
So it's been quite an interesting trip.
We had quite a bit of unusual weather, a variety of weather, I would say, but it made the trip memorable.
And of course the Drake Passage lived up to its name. It was wild and woolly. Some of the gusts, they said, were up to 50, 60 knots, and the seas were 4 to 5 meters. Quite the challenge.
But we enjoyed it. Saw a different side to Antarctica than we saw last time. That's okay.
So it's always an adventure, and stay tuned. We've got some more things in the pipeline, and we'll see what happens next. Thanks for coming along.
Bye.